Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to transfer money from HDFC to CIBC. Make sure you watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistake, and also hit the subscribe button because it really helps me out. So let's get started with the easy step-by-step guide on how to transfer money from the HDFC to CIBC. First thing to do is to log into the HDFC net banking using the netbanking.hdfcbank.com. Then after that, you have to go to the fund transfer foreign outward remittance, which is remit now. And from there, you have to add a beneficiary, which is the CIBC account details. Then from there, you will need a full name of the CIBC account holder, then a CIBC Swift or BICS code, or you can even provide the CIBC CAT, then the account number or the IBAN, and the bank address, which is optional but recommended. Then after that, you have to enter the transfer details. So to do this, you have to input the amount in CAD or in INR, then purpose of the remittance, for example, family maintenance, education, and all of that. Then after that, you have to verify with OTP and confirm. Then wait for 1 to 3 business days for funds to be reflected in the CIBC account. And that's how to send money or transfer money from the HDFC to CIBC. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.